Thank you so much for tuning in to Unapologetically Me Oracle Energy. If you have clicked on my channel more than once and you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, as it definitely helps my algorithm. I appreciate it. Okay, so I have a message right now from Spirit, and Spirit is telling you, listen. And what are you listening to? You're listening to the waves and the moon cycles. Spirit wants you to listen to the waves and the moon cycle. Because what you're doing right now is you are shedding. Spirit wants you. Use your voice. Because that voice will bring on the balance that you need for your intentions to be purified. Once you get those intentions purified, you will renew, you will center, you will find all the directions to flow. When you're flowing, you will understand that your persistence will radiate beauty. Trust in yourself. Trust in your own personal abilities to bring on that radiance of all the beauty that you want in your world and in your life. Understand that each and every one of us has our own beauty, and our beauty is unique to us, nobody else. So please understand that rainbow, you are the diamond. You are the radiance. Persist, okay, on that flow, right? That water flow. Persist on it, because it's going to bring you to all those connections. Those connections will allow you to center, renew, purify. Your intentions will be balanced as you use your voice while you are shedding. So again, Spirit is asking you, listen. To the ocean waves and the moon cycles. There is where your answers lie. With that, I am going to pull an angel or a master for you. I do appreciate you guys taking the time to connect with me today. I hope this message is resonating. Take what resonates, leave what doesn't. What angel do we have for this collective today to put off this beautiful reading of self-reflection and internal understanding that shedding just makes room for more beautiful, radiant things? Oh, beautiful. Here we go. Supte. Cosmic power, unlimited potential, sacred mission initiation. Spirit is telling me to bring back this card. Look at all the directions, all the different flows. Unlimited potential. Let it flow. I am going to pull an angel number as well. Thank you, Spirit. What angel number do we have for the collective today to close off this reading? You have all the potential. Your lines are all available to you. All of them. And of course, we pull. Beautiful. Several unexpected developments will enter your life and impact how you feel. This is a chance to reevaluate your identity. You need a mental shift towards great optimism, self-assurance, and trust. Put your faith in your gut and inner voice. Pay attention to your feelings and use them to help you become a better person. Pay attention. Listen to the ocean waves and the moon cycles. Pay attention to your feelings and use them to help you become a better person. Moon cycles, ocean waves. Listen. Until next time, Unapologetically Me, Oracle Energy, I do appreciate you guys taking the time to be with me. Until next time, bye-bye.